Indian Railway has successfully constructed and operationalized a modern waterproof pedestrian subway beneath 7 active railway lines without disrupting train operations. Using advanced hydraulic air-pushing technology, 4 massive precast reinforced concrete segments were installed with precision, making this a remarkable feat of engineering. Equipped with world-class waterproofing arrangements, the subway is designed for long-term durability and to withstand heavy freight and dedicated freight corridor operations. With covered approaches, lighting, ventilation, and efficient drainage, the subway offers a safe, comfortable, and all-weather crossing facility for pedestrians and two-wheelers. Another milestone by railways, connecting communities and protecting lives through engineering excellence.